Okay, can you hear it? Can you hear the rain? I am a pluviophile. I love the rain. Thank you for joining me. We're at 5 Minute Makeover. I am going to just do a quickie IGTV tippy on all things brows because, like, brows, I never did my brows till I, started my unique business. And looking back, I'm like, oh my gosh, I looked like poo. Who can relate? So, to start, okay? I got two brow brushes. One is the brow spoolie brush, my preferable brow brush of choice. Yeah, you do need a brow brush. Sorry if you're okay. Second, brow artist brush. I love the brow palettes compared to brow liners. These last, well, at least this is my second one in 3 years. They last like 18 months. Okay. Here's why I love the spoolie. By the way, also dark, medium, light. I use dark. I am an ex-blonde, and rule of thumb, especially those of you that have seen the movie Friday, you will so get this. Lighter the hair, darker the brow. But I just have gotten so used to the dark brows. Okay. On the side of your nose, not up your nose. That's where they start. Okay. So get a thin type brushity McBrushin, okay, and that's a little too, I just wasted product, whoa, but that's okay. Everything is fixable, okay? Step number 2, side of your nose, through your eyeball. That is where your arch should be, okay? So if you need a little tip, do that, okay? Let's do the other side. And every time I do this, I always smear makeup all over me. Through your eye. And keep in mind, brows are not twins. Brows are best friends. They're cousins. They're sisters. They are not twins, okay? If they're twins, like identical twins, they're going to look fake, okay? We're not in the business of looking fake here, at least through me. Okay. As you can see, I need a little bit of extra loving. Okay. Just do a little tail. Oh, hold on. See, okay. I'm so used to freehanding this. Okay. As I smear even more lipstick on the side of my face. Goodness gracious. Let's see how much lipstick I can smear today. Okay. You got setting gel, 2 powders, great for a gradient brow, and 2 creamy type luminizers. I call them oops fixers. Some call them highlight. Personal preference. So you dip your brush a tiny little. Okay, you want to know why these last me forever? Because less is more. You want to underline the underneath and then connect the dots. Let's do the next eye. Maybe you guys could see me better in my dirty brow mirror, okay? Under, beneath, okay? Spoolie, boom. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Then with the lighter color, okay? And this number is labeled number 1 on Renee's dark brow palette. Yes, I know I'm a dork. Okay, you want to dip the brush. Oh, now you're going to see all the finger. Yeah, see? See what happens? Yeah, that's how I roll. That's how I roll, baby. Okay, you want to dip your brush in the gel and then dip it in the number 1 and bloop. Okay? Don't worry. If you jack up your lines, anything is fixable with concealer. I do know a popular way right now is like giving yourself a unibrow. And then you cover it with concealer, but okay, any other frugal mamas here? Okay. I'm like I'm freaking cheap, y'all. So that's just not gonna work for me. Hold on. Well, I lost my beauty blender that my dog did not chew. So we'll just go with that. Actually, you know what? This is better. So to fix up your oops, concealer brush, or Or do you guys want to see why I got me a pink and a gold Brow Artist brush. Don't use the setting gel for this. Let's go with gold, because on my Facebook business page, I am going to do a rain-inspired eye look. Make sure you hop over there and you just fill her on in on the underneaths, okay? It'll clean up and tighten any of those lines that you may have oops. And when I do use my creamy luminizer brow highlight type actions, that's when I use the Brow Artist brush, because this brush has the thinner and the bigger. Okay, this is really great for the up above. Okay, I'm getting another alert. My phone's about to ring. There was a coronavirus prank at one of the schools in my children's school district. And yeah, this coronavirus, I'm not like freaked out yet, and I would love for you guys to share below like your thoughts. I have a week of toilet paper. I'm not resorting into panic mode, but yeah, it's just getting scary. Especially like Tom Hanks and his wife in Australia just recently tested positive for it. So it's concerning, but yeah, I'm not in panic mode yet. If you are in panic mode, or if you're not, please share in the down below. But bomb, bow, chicka, boom, wow, wow. Perfect brows. I know this video is almost at 7 minutes, but honestly, when I'm not explaining to you and showing you like little tips and how to measure, you can have both brows rocking. Beauty of brows, it's a instant anti-aging process, because as we age, our brows start getting bald spots. That's when you need to whip out your Esteem Lash Serum. Not only is it going to grow your lashes naturally, slap some of that bad boy baby bomblicious brow bodaciousness on your brows at night with your Esteem Lash Serum. Guaranteed 29% growth. Well, that's on the lashes. On the brows, it just filled in my bald spots. But brows frame our face. Yep, they sure do. Next time you meet someone, subconsciously, but I want you to consciously keep this in mind, you're going to notice their brows. If their brows are like not twins, but sisters and best friends, you're going to be like, damn, them some good looking brows, okay? If you have any questions on which brow palette to get, ask me. I am a spreader of confidence through beauty products, because, yeah, just go back and look at all my videos. Yeah, been there, done that, and confidence. There's a fly around me, and I have dog hair on me. Confidence. Apply directly on your face with amazing, long-lasting, all-day coverage. Trust me, if you're like I used to be and your self-esteem was down in the down below with the Demogorgons, I would love to help you boom that up. Love you all so much. Thank you for joining me on that 5-minute makeover. I'm going to go stand out in the rain. Have a fantastic day. Order direct from my website. Avoid the public. Coronavirus is kind of starting to scare me. I can help you stay away from all the cooties and germs. Ship direct to your house.